to more Camping with the Shrags. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and if you stayed with us along our journeys, we appreciate you following. Where are we going today, Mr. Shrag?
We are going to a new state park that we have not been to, but I think everybody else has been.
Probably.
Alum Creek State Park.
I'm not sure if it's Alum or Alum.
I have no idea. I think everybody's been correcting me every time I say Alum. Alum. Alum.
So that's where we're going. So this weekend,
yes,
we're not going to do a whole lot regarding the little get-together we're having, but we do want to get back, I guess, to original roots. We haven't been able to do in a while because we haven't been to a state park or a campground that we haven't been to before.
right. You hear that muscle of a Ford engine?
Drop it.
Dropping it like it's hot.
Alum Creek State Park, located in central Ohio at 3209 South Old State Road in Delaware, Ohio. This park is 4,630 acres, which also features a 3,387 acre reservoir, a boater's paradise. Rolling hills and quiet coves nestled among shale cliffs offer a hub of recreational activity minutes from Ohio's capital city. Both wooded and sunny sites, all with electric service. Premium sites do overlook the lake. There are 24 sites which offer pool hookup, heated showers, flush toilets, and a dump station. There is also a beach and boat ramp exclusive to campers, miniature golf, and a playground. Nature programs, there is also group camp and equestrian camps. Pets are welcome on designated sites. Camper cabins are available from April until October. One thing to note, the lake is unlimited horsepower with open zone as well as a large no-wake area. You can find mountain biking and equestrian trails, and also a small fishing pond. There is also a full-service marina on the lake, which offers fuel, supplies, concessions, and rentals. Boat camp and boat swim areas are also on the lake, as well as a 3,000-foot public beach.
Well, we finally made it. Friday night, Alum Creek State Park. This is a nice camp spot. We are in E24. Fitches are to our right, and Kiefers are to our left. Okay, so we'll cut back in later. I'm going to get something cold to drink and start to relax.
Watch on.
Krispy Kreme.
Let me get my card up here. Let me get my card off.
Saturday morning, and it is already hot. So we're going to go for a bike ride later and explore this campground. Seems like it's really nice and big, but we haven't gone anywhere. We're gonna have some pancakes and bacon this morning. Oh yeah. We stumbled upon Cummings Camping. How are you guys? You got the secret spot in the shade.
I liked Alum.
Yeah.
I liked it there. It had a great beach to go swimming. Our site was actually nice. We were in E24.
Yeah. Water fill and dump area. Horrible.
Not a fan.
I'd give it 1 out of 10 because it's right there at the entrance, and we had a little issue when we were leaving. We had already dumped at a full site, and there was a huge line waiting to go to the dump, and that was the only way out of the campground. It's just everybody waiting to get into the dump blocks the whole road. You can't leave.
We're not camping next weekend.
Nope.
We're actually. Oh my gosh!
You can't stop it. I'll do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop the whole freaking app. 2 minutes from home. We don't need Randy's help anymore. Gosh, dang. Anyway.
We have video from Tappan, which was 3 weeks ago or so. I don't know. Maybe we'll release that. We'll release this one. And then we'll have another video on 4th of July.
Yep.
We are actually going to camp on a holiday.
Which we never do.
Yeah, actually, this will be our second time because
we camped on
Memorial Day.
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with us, but we're getting crazy.
Being adventurous.
Okay, do your thing.
All right.
My back hurts.
Okay. All right, we're going to get out of here, you guys. Remember, the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.